In this video, Quant has successfully reached our target in the 4-hourly time frame. And in this video, I'll be telling you my expectations for the Quant price and my thoughts in the market. So before we begin this video, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So right now in the 4-hourly time frame, it looks like Quant has dumped exactly to our target. Yes, so a couple of videos ago I've been screaming this a lot. So if you've been following the channel, we've spotted basically this head and shoulders pattern, and this is the neckline. And I said that if we actually do break to the downside of the neckline or this trend line, then this is going to be looking really bad for the Quant price. And I actually mentioned my targets or my target, and basically the target is located right here. If you place it to the point of breakdown, the target is $108 or $106, but it really doesn't matter. The general target is this support zone. Yeah, the support zone is located at $106 to $110. So I was expecting Quant to basically dump and find support at this level of demand or support. This is basically a massive support zone. Yeah, so right now it looks like it is exactly playing out as we all have expected. Yeah, so right now it looks like in the 4-hourly time frame, Quant is having a little bounce right now to the upside. Not too strong, but yeah, there's basically a bounce. So we have found support exactly at support zone. But what are my expectations right now? Because actually right now we can still continue dumping to the downside, or we can trade within this range. Let's move to the daily time frame. So if you pull up the volume profile, basically drag it from here to here, you can see that there is a ton of volume right here at this range, at this support zone, and we have actually found support at that level. So I'm currently expecting this level to hold. Yes, because I'm expecting people to place their buy orders here, and I'm expecting the price to have a little relief pump to the upside basically. But there's one problem actually. Let's move back to the daily time frame, because look, there's a high chance Quant can lose this support. All right, so it is very, very crucial for the Quant price to hold $106. That's where this last level of support is located at. If we actually close the candle below $106, then we are potentially looking at a target of $92 at this next support zone. Yeah, so it is very crucial right now for Quant to hold support at $106, because failure to hold the support at $106 means that we may be dumping to the next support zone starting at $92 right here. So I'm not saying this is guaranteed that if we fail to hold $106, we're going to dump straight away to $92. I'm not saying that. I'm just stating the possibility that if we fail to hold support at $106, then there's a chance we may be seeing $92 until $77. Yes, we may be seeing those levels right there. So that's why it's very crucial for Quant to hold support at $106. Now, basically, right now I'm expecting Quant to trade. Wait a second. Right now I'm expecting Quant to trade within this range right here. Yes, this is resistance at $123, and this is support at $110 to $106. Yeah, so we'll be trading within this range for a couple of days. That's my expectation, until at some point after moving within this vicinity, Quant may decide which way it'll actually move to, either to the upside or to the downside. Yes, so I believe right now we may be consolidating for a couple of days within this range, and then at some point Quant will decide where will it make its next big move at, either to the upside or to the downside. So yeah, basically the expectation, if we either break any if we either break resistance or support, yeah, so let's say we break resistance, then that's the signal that we may be seeing Quant push to higher prices. But if we see Quant break support at $106, then that's the signal that Quant has decided to make another move to the downside, basically. But right now, I am still leaning more towards the bearish case, because it looks very clear that this entire move, wait a second, in my opinion, actually, this entire move right here looks very, very corrective. Like, this was some dump to the downside, a corrective wave to the upside, and actually a continuation to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting right now. Yeah, right now I'm expecting Quant to trade within this vicinity, and at some point it's going to decide if it's going to pump to the upside or actually break to the downside and dump to $93 or $92. Yes. Now let's move to the weekly time frame, because also I have to mention this a lot. Yeah, basically my primary scenario is this 5-wave move to play out. Yes, this 5-wave Elliott move. And right now I'm actually thinking that we are inside the wave 3, but this can definitely be invalidated once we break below this level right here at $92, because again, I've been screaming this a lot, that Quant in the weekly may be potentially forming this head and shoulders pattern. And if we actually do break the neckline at $92, $91, then we may be seeing prices such as, or that range from $50 to $45. Yeah, so it's very, very crucial for Quant to hold $92, $91, because that's where the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern is located at. So right now, in order to invalidate this bearish pattern and actually continue this 5-wave move, Quant must immediately break above $133, this level, and actually flip it to support right here. So that's the confirmation that we're going to be continuing for the wave 3. Now the target for the wave 3, just pull up the extension, and then like that, it actually shows us the target for the wave 3, and the target for the wave 3 is at a maximum level or a price of $390, and the minimum target for the wave 3 is $327 within this range. Yeah, so again, this 5-wave move, or even the wave 3, will only be invalidated if we dump below $92, $91, below this neckline. So we must not dump below the neckline, and we must actually hold it as support. Yes, we must hold this. We must hold this at all costs and actually bounce to the upside, because failure to do so means this entire 5-wave move will be invalidated, unfortunately. So basically, congratulations to everyone who's been following the channel, because right now we have successfully met our target that we have been mentioning a couple of times right here. But right now, let's see what Quant is gonna do. Personally, I'm leaning more towards the bearish case, but yeah, it's very possible Quant can pump to the upside right here. But yeah, I think it's more probable that we're going to be dumping to the downside. So right now I'm expecting, again, recap, we may be consolidating within this vicinity, and at some point Quant will decide that it will either pump to the upside above resistance at $125, or at some point Quant will decide to actually dump to the downside to the next target of $92. Let us see. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then be sure to sign up using my Bybit affiliate link, and you can get up to $30,000 in bonus, as well as 0% fees. So if you want to sign up on Bybit, don't forget to use my affiliate link for Bybit and claim your bonus right here. And I also have a link for BitGet as well. So join my Discord server. The link to my server is in the description as well. And watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.